Interacting with the user while they are viewing the presentation. Video chat. When a listener connects to the presentation, a pop-up window appears in the web application with a link to the live session. If you have a Pitch Avatar mobile app installed, the notification will come there as well. To start video conferencing, click Join. After entering the presentation player, click on the camera and microphone icons. You will see your camera window on the right side of the screen. If the listener does the same, you will see him or her as well, just as you would in a typical video conferencing application. If you allowed the listener to call presenter, you can wait for the listener to use the related button and take the initiative to communicate. Text chat. Option for a chat-based interaction by clicking the same link for a live session and message listener in the chat. Schedule a meeting. Let listeners schedule appointments with you by integrating your calendar account. You can specify a default calendar link in your account settings or enter a link when creating a link to your presentation. In the viewer's presentation player, it will look like this. You can go to and connect to any session. When notifying directly from a message in the web or mobile app by clicking on the icons of connections and messages in your account.